Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we will dive deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 26th of December, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of November 7th, 2024, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 156.48% since we first recommended purchasing BigBear.ai Holdings 34 days ago. This equates to an average return of 4.60% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, it remains unclear which direction the stock will take, as it could potentially move in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong upward short-term trend, indicating an even more robust rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, support is now established at the level of $4.06, which may represent a second opportunity for a significant gain. According to fan theory, the next potential peak level is $5.34, which could serve as a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first try. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 100.89% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 25.41% to 83.26%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 0.536% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between negative 72.91% and negative 1.74%. This translates to a price range between $1.21 to $4.37 after a year. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline: significant movements in BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Thursday, fluctuating 24.47% between high and low. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price experienced an increase of 19.30% on the last trading day, rising from $3.73 to $4.45. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see whether this upward momentum continues or if there will be a brief pause in the next few days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 24.47%, with a low of $3.80 and a high of $4.73. Over the last 10 days, the price has risen 6 times, and it has increased by 49.83% over the past 2 weeks. There was an increase in trading volume on the last day alongside the price rise, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 60 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, leading to a total of 109 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $486,860,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $4.79, while the lowest price was $1.17. Currently, the price sits 7.10% or 34 cents below the 52-week high and 72.39% or $11.67 below the all-time high reached on April 6, 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai stock is experiencing significant momentum today, soaring over 19% in trading. This spike follows a robust performance trend where the stock has gained more than 23% in the past week alone. The broader context for BigBear.ai is promising, as the artificial intelligence market has seen substantial growth in 2024, expanding from $136 billion to $184 billion, with projections suggesting a remarkable rise to $827 billion by 2030. This upward trajectory not only positions BigBear.ai favorably against its peers, but also attracts speculative investments. Analysts recommend looking into momentum stocks during bullish market phases, and with the Federal Reserve cutting rates recently, investor enthusiasm is heightened. Additionally, BigBear.ai has secured a key GSA Oasis Plus contract, enhancing its credibility and potential revenue from federal agencies. This strategic move could lead to long-term growth prospects, solidifying its position in the defense and national security sectors. While there was a recent dip in share price earlier this month, the swift recovery reflects investor confidence and market dynamics. In the short term, continued support from the bullish sentiment in AI stocks and the company's strategic contracts can sustain this momentum, potentially leading to a positive long-term outlook for BigBear.ai. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. For return on investment, analysts have also provided a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is present, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support levels can be found at $3.40 and $2.54. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, December 13, 2024, and since then, the stock has risen by 76.94%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Volume is also rising alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have emerged that may impact near-term developments. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggested a buy signal 9 days ago. Bollinger showed a buy signal 52 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average revealed a sell signal 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 53 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 37 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a buy signal 60 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 75 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $3.67 and $3.39. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a drop to the next support. In this case, BigBear.ai Holdings has support just below today's level at $3.67. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $3.39 and $3.38. This stock may exhibit significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated 93 cents between its high and low, or 24.47%. Over the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 22.13%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's first review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may raise concerns about profitability and suggest potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of the year 2024 is projected to be released on the 6th of March, 2025. Analysts are estimating a consensus of -5 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and use volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings faces its first support level at $3.67. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by BBAI Ultimate Holdings, LLC, who bought and sold over 14,150,656 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 92.301. Overall, insiders purchased over 4,182,545 shares and sold over 98,072,253 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.29, which reflects a decrease of 3.68%. This stock exhibits substantial daily fluctuations, indicating a significant level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 8 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? BigBear.ai Holdings presents several positive indicators. However, we believe these are insufficient for a buy recommendation. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may wish to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment of this stock since the last evaluation, changing it from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate suggestion. After examining the volatility and trading patterns from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 27th of December, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open lower, about 12.3 cents down, and begin trading at $4.33. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.